Up. Go out to that red circle over there. See it? Keep going. Just keep going. Come on back. There you go. Come on. Oh, good fall. Try to get up. Try to stand up, big boy. Push on your feet and stand up. There you go. Here. You need a cone? You can do it. Oh! Look how Austin does it. See how he stands up? Get your feet under you. There you go. Here. Here. You can use the cone and stand up. And then you got to push that cone back to me. Push it back to me. There you go. You don't need that anymore. Come on. That's right. All right.